Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to Photoshop. So in today's class, what we are going to do, we are going to make a basic tour of this amazing software and see what we can learn. And what we are going to do in this class, it's pretty simple. We are simply going to create a new document. So it's pretty simple what we are going to do, but we are just going to create a new document. So pretty simple. Let's take a tour, and when you open up Photoshop, the first thing that you will see, it's something that looks like this. So basically this is your home page. From this home page, what you can do is pretty simple. You can add new pictures. So basically if you guys want to add new pictures, you can simply click right here and add your pictures with which you want to work, or select a picture that will be from the Adobe stock photo. Then let's say that you want to learn a little bit more. It will be right here. So as you can see, there is plenty of small little classes that you can learn, plenty of interesting things about Photoshop, which is pretty cool as well. If you guys have Lightroom, basically it's gonna be right here. So basically if you have a Lightroom library, for example, for pictures or any other thing, it's gonna be there. Same thing for your cloud documents. If for example you use cloud and you have documents, it's gonna be stored right there. All right, so next thing that we are going to do is create our document. So to create a document in Photoshop, it's pretty simple. From the home page, it's gonna be right here. And if you're not on the home page and you want to create a new document, you'll simply go on File and select New. So basically, you can open up a past document or create a new one, or simply click on Control N. And this is exactly what we are going to do. We are going to create a new document right now. All right, so what you can do from here is pretty simple. So basically you can, the first thing that you need to do right now is select the size of your document. So basically what will be the size of your document. For the purpose of this first class, we are going to create a default Photoshop size, but let's see what type of sizes you can find right here. So basically you can have, you can import pictures. And basically you can have different sizes. So as you can see here, landscape 6x4, 7x5, and plenty of other sizes. For print letters, you have 8x11 inch, 8.5x14, and some other sizes as well. And once again, here you can have different templates, which is pretty cool. You have free templates, you have paid templates as well. So as you can see, those ones are free. And as I said, you can do plenty of projects with Photoshop, for example, t-shirts right here. So as you can see, those templates are all free right there, but you can look for paid templates as well. Here you can have art and illustration. So basically if you want to create art for your room, or you just want to create a digital product to sell online, for example, a certain type of art, you can do it right here. So as I said, posters, you can create grids, you can create plenty of things, basically whatever you want. So you have all this right here. You can create web pages. So as I said, just the design of the web page. So you have common, large, and plenty of others. Once again, here you have a few examples, not only examples, but few mockups right there that you can use to, basically modify and or create your own and personalized. You can create mobile phone wallpapers. So as you can see right here, you have plenty of different types of wallpaper. So you can simply choose one of those and click on create, and you will have the right dimensions. And finally, you have film and video as well. So there, as I said, there are plenty of things that you guys can do right there, right here. Next thing that we can do is, let's say for example you select the default Adobe. What you can do, you can modify the white, you can modify the height, you can modify the resolution as well. So we're going to work with the basic resolution. You can even modify the background. So basically you have white, you can have black, you can have transparent, you can have any color that you want, which is pretty cool. So let's keep it simple. Let's just select default Photoshop size and with a white background, and then we'll simply click on create. So after that, you should be on a page that looks something like this. So we'll just close this. So this is the starting point. Basically it's pretty simple. We have a lot of buttons, but in the next few classes we are going to talk about the most important buttons that you guys will need to use. So right now, as I said, you should be on a page that looks something like this. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.